In this video, we show how to replace the OCP on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 3, 5, and 4 removed from the system, to remove an OCP, lift up on the blue latch and then slide the OCP out of the rear of the system. To install the OCP, align it with the rear of the system, and then slide it all the way in until fully seated, and then press down to secure it in place. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.